Short Me Tina here, once again from shortmetina.com, doing my second video to date on ticker TLRY, Tilray. Right now what you're looking at is a 5-minute chart since the stock IPO'd. So I did a video on this stock yesterday, and so if you didn't get a chance to listen to that video, you can go to shortmetina.com, and in the search field you can just put the ticker in TLRY, and all the videos I've done will come up. And so I'm just going to recap for those who weren't able to listen to my video yesterday what I indicated. So full disclosure, this was actually a trade that we took in the premium member community, and I thought that this was a good trade idea, just knowing that there was a lot of buzz, or there still is a lot of buzz surrounding marijuana stocks. And so I indicated to my members that a break above the initial IPO high of 23.45 and this stock can run. And sure enough, after the stock sort of, it took a day, right? It took a day. It didn't happen the day the stock IPO'd. It actually fell down some, and then it gapped up the next day, surpassed the IPO high of 23.45, and then it kind of went on to hit a high of around, not too sure, let's say a little over 34, representing something like about a 45% a 45% increase rather from the previous day's close. At any rate, yesterday I indicated that I was looking at this from two perspectives: a shorter term trade and a longer term investment, right? And so I indicated that yesterday I said this, and you can go back at shortmetina.com and listen. I said there is no need to rush into this stock, right? Because I knew after if a stock goes up 40, 50%, 60% in a day or two, that's a huge move. That's an explosive move. You're gonna have profit takers, right? And so I was expecting the stock to decline, right? But even so, and I'm encouraging you guys now, put the stock on your watch list. Granted, it's down about a little over 13% on the day, right? But put that in perspective. 13% on the day, right? Versus a 40% move, or an almost double from the IPO price of around $17. So again, stock IPO'd at 17, hit around 34, right? So that's about 100% increase from the IPO price. We've pulled back some, right? Today we pulled back, we shed about 13%, but in the grand scheme of things, right, 13% downside when you've already had a 100% upside, in my opinion, is a healthy pullback. Does that mean the selling is over? Absolutely not. But definitely pay attention here, because around 25.36, you're very close to that IPO high, or that breakout level around 23. So going into tomorrow and the weeks thereafter, I definitely want to pay attention to a couple of levels. Obviously 23, right, around here. Let's pay attention to how investors react when the stock gets there. We also want to pay attention to the low once the stock actually hit the market. That's around that $20 mark. And obviously you want to pay attention to the IPO price of around 17. So for me, I will start, well, that's neither here nor there. For you and for folks that are listening to this video, ticker TLRY, put it on your watch list, right? Marijuana stocks, I definitely see them putting up huge gains in the longer term, right? So think about these sort of stocks in terms of your retirement portfolio, because I do think that a compilation of marijuana stocks definitely has a place there. And for me, I'm looking at ticker TLRY amongst others. As I indicated yesterday, I had also indicated that ticker WEED/CGC was also a good idea. We went long that stock, I want to say, initially the latter part of 2017. It officially made it on my list of 2018 stocks to succeed, and the stock was up about, most recently 150% from that initial buy zone. It has retreated some, right? I'm talking about ticker WEED right now, and I'll wrap it up. It has retreated some now, but again, let's think longer term picture. I still think that these stocks they have more room to run. So once again, ticker TLRY, I am bullish in the longer term. In the shorter term, it might do a lot of things, but again, perspective, think longer term marijuana stocks. So that's it. Short Me Tina here from shortmetina.com. This video was a tad bit lengthy. I apologize for that. But if you enjoyed this video and you found any information in here to be useful to you, I want you to do two things for me. One, head on over to my YouTube page at Short Me Tina and hit that subscribe button. Then head on over to shortmetina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support.